Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a proxy on Firefox. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Firstly, you want to open up Firefox and then open the menu from the top right. Now select Options. Scroll down to Network Settings at the bottom of the page and select Settings. Click the Manual Proxy Configuration checkbox. Paste your proxy into the text box here. Make sure that this option called Also Use This Proxy for FTP and HTTPS is ticked. Then hit Save and your proxy has been set. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Firefox tips and tricks.